Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a long time, but I'm back. So in this video you'll see me basically, I wanted to tone this wig at first and just have a tone blonde wig, but you'll see it didn't work out how it was supposed to. And yeah, just keep watching. Now when you're using that purple shimmer light shampoo, you gotta make sure you mix it really good, because I don't think I mixed mine good enough. You're gonna see it's a purple tint on my wig, and it's like really noticeable. So right here, this is when I decided to do, watercolor the wig. Initially I wanted it to just be a tone blonde, but you'll see I used the Ruby Red Adore and Cajun Spice by Kiss, and I sprayed the lace with Got To Be Glue in the yellow can, which kept the lace from getting messed up, or color getting on the lace. And you see me mixing it. Mix it really well. You don't want no chunks in the water because it'll stain the hair, or really when it's chunks in the water, it stains the lace. Chunks of color, it will stain your lace. So right here, oh well, this is the color that I actually ended up getting. Ain't it cute? Yeah, it's cute. So right here, you're just gonna see me flat ironing the wig out before I cut it into a blunt cut. And y'all, this wig came out so pretty and nice. This is some 613 hair I'm testing out, for my hair collection, or whatever you want to call it. And I like it. It hardly even shedded and whatnot. So I use ion heat protectant spray. And y'all can get those flat irons in my video from that store called Ulta Beauty. Those flat irons work really good. They're the nice ones. So anyways, right here you'll see me preparing the hair to cut it basically, and I sectioned the hair off in 3 parts, and it's really, you can look at it and see what's going on. And every time you cut, I just learned this. I had to study a few videos before cutting wigs and selling them, because I wasn't cutting my wigs right. So you always start from the bottom or the back. Don't flat iron all the hair out and try to cut it evenly all across, especially if you're a beginner. I suggest you do it how I just did, and you can see how good it look. And those shears came from Amazon, I believe. Like, you see the body in that hair, that's from a good cut. And then yeah, y'all, This wig was cute, like really, really pretty. I can't keep my hands off of it. That color is just so cute, and then the little spots where blonde is. I didn't mean to do that, but it actually turned out to be really pretty. That's why I just named it Strawberry Shortcake wig. And then you'll see how the hair at the top kind of falls in line with the hair at the bottom. So, you know, I didn't really have to do too much cutting at the top at all. And this was a 12-inch wig, 12-inch 4x4 613 wig, customized color by me. And I'm not sure if y'all can see this. I hope so. This is just me basically cleaning up the cut and, you know, getting the sides, well, the far sides, because we ain't get the sides yet. And right here I just followed the line, or, you know, I used the back for guidance. And here's the finished look. Do y'all see the body on this wig now? Come on, stop playing. Ooh, stop playing. But anyways, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And tune in for my other videos.